I will look for you. I will find you. And I will kill you.
Turtle cat. Kitty's gonna love it when I bring food to him. Kitty, I brought food for you, okay? Why are you so mean to me, Kitty? Just shut. Stop! What the fuck are you doing? It's like you're my mirror. Oh, my mirror staring back at me.
Ow.
Something tells me that he wants in.
The fearless feline got stuck on a telephone pole for...
I believe I can fly.
How to tell when your cat's eating too much.
You full, buddy?
Slow down. Grab the wall. Wiggle like you're trying to make your ass fall out.
Bro, I don't like the way you looking at me. Why you looking at me like that? Why you looking at me like that? Why you looking at me like that? Oh shit!
Meow, 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 meow.
Hello?
Hey, I heard you got the new cat phone.
Yeah, it's the cat's meow.
This is Cal. Say hi, Cal.
What? How are you doing this? I ever told you?
Girl, I teach you how to twerk, and I'm a yiking it, yiking it, yiking it, yiking it.
Who is that girl I see back at me? Don't touch it.
Fuck the police coming straight from the underground.
Don't touch it.
Fuck the police coming straight from the underground.
I knew he would not like that. Fix his cake.
Baby, who was that girl you was talking to on the phone last night?
Oh, that was Jake from State Farm, girl. Chill.
Get off me, you liar!
Do the bad wolf. Do the bad.
He did the monster mash. It was a graveyard smash.
Oh shit, there's a motherfucking cat in my motherfucking bowl. DJ, spin that shit.
I wanna feel what love is.
You can't touch this.
Panda, say I love you.
Look at her try to get it.
I will look for you. I will find you. And I will kill you.
Don't touch it.